Hello, JJ Barnett from Bose Professional UK. I want to talk about what's new and exciting at ISE 2026. We've got the amazing Luna pendant, which is our DML88P. DM stands for DesignMax. L is our Luna 88P. What it features
How good
inside,
is the sound coming from these? How good sound comes out of that?
Absolutely amazing. Inside is 8 2-inch drivers, giving you that 360-degree experience. No matter where you are in the room, you'll get the exact same experience in hearing factor. It's all about the low end as well.
A little bit the technology inside here?
Absolutely, yeah. Inside as well, you're getting an 8-inch woofer to give you the real low end for full coverage in lots of different applications, from restaurants, from bars, from gymnasiums, hospitality. A truly unique product for the Bose Professional portfolio range. And as you can see,
just hang it over people?
Correct, you hang it above ceiling. Ideal height is between 3 meters up to 4.5 meters, but not limited to. You're getting that full range experience. If you're at ISE, pop over. We've got a demo room featuring the new Luna DML88P, and we're really, really excited about it. What else is new today? We've got the DM12SE, never before seen by the general public, actually. We're launching it here today. It's part of the DesignMax range of Bose Professional portfolio. Big box, robust, gives you the real low end. You're getting 100-degree conical coverage also. Think about applications, perfect for hospitality, houses of worship. Also great for your live events, your auditoriums, education. You really have to hear it to believe it. And again, we've got a demo every half an hour on our stand. Make sure you pop over and see us at Bose Professional ISE.
What do we see here under it?
Here we've got the EdgeMax low profile. What this is, essentially, it's a ceiling speaker, but not a traditional ceiling speaker. It's got a PhaseGuide technology, pushing sound out asymmetrically, either at 90 or 180 degrees. The purpose is less is more. In the corner of a room, corners and center, it gives you that real depth and low end as well. Really, really exciting product. EdgeMax 180 and 90.
So how would you define the quality of the Bose sound?
Well, Bose is all about engineering first. Bose has been a business for over 50 years now, and it's all about reinventing, it's all about engineering. The brand speaks for itself as well. And customers come to us because it's not necessarily just about the brand, it's about the organization, it's about the aftercare service you're going to get. So we pride ourselves
on the screens here.
This is the PhaseGuide technology I was talking about, and our EdgeMax, how the sound is pushed out asymmetrically. Really unique, proprietary technology from Bose Professional. Yeah, great for education, great for hospitality as well. Yeah, your ceiling speaker.
It's a good feeling to have good sound in your life, right?
Correct. Yeah.
And where you work or where you have entertainment, it need to have good sound.
Yeah, if you think about sound, it's something that stays with you forever. When you go into a venue, a lot of the times you want to go back to that venue because you have that real unique experience. It's not always just about the food in a restaurant. It's about the ambiance, it's about the delivery of sound, it's about the memory.
It's like an emotional connection.
Correct, it's important. It's all about the connection.
So can we have a look at what's over here?
Absolutely. What you see here on the right is our portable range. We pride ourselves quite heavily on our portable range. You've got your F1 with your sub. You've got your L1 Pro 32. What the 32 means is 32 individual drivers inside, 2-inch drivers, to give you that J-shape array. Great for long throw, great to accompany an install solution as well to roll in and out of a venue. And a real robust product that we're very proud of. And then further down the line, you've got the 16 and the 8. And again, the numbers just resemble what's inside. 180-degree coverage as well. A real special product of ours.
Nice.
Let's continue.
This is a special room?
This is our special demo room, featuring our Luna, as we discussed, and the DM12SE. So
people are enjoying this right now?
It's amazing to see people's visual expressions after they hear the speaker firsthand, before and after.
Maybe I can edit that in after.
And now we're talking big solutions here. This is our Arena Match products and our ShowMax product. Ideal for your larger scale venues, your stadiums, your underhand balconies, your live venues. These are the big robust boxes that make roofs blow off. And we're very proud about the number of large scale stadiums we've done across the globe. Just to show you, Bose is not necessarily just about your small scale solutions, it's the larger projects as well.
And are people fans of Bose all over the world?
Yeah, when you think of Bose, a lot of the time the misconceptions are there that it's just a headphone brand and a TV soundbar, but
it's everybody on the airplane.
We're no longer that anymore. Bose Professional is a separate entity. We specialize in large scale installs. So we're very proud of our heritage, that will always be there. But the future of Bose Professional is your big installs, your memory makers. And as you mentioned before, it's all about quality of sound, isn't it? It makes a huge difference and an impact into a solution.
Imagine every pixel, every sound, enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.